Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial of the Next.js, and in the previous tutorial we have seen how to take care of the dynamic routes. So now in this tutorial we will be looking into how to group the routes. Okay, so now if suppose I am having the route over here, I will call this as a register. I will say register, and I will create the page.js, and instead of this I will say rfc, and register. So this is basically the register component, and after that I will create one more. I will say login, and then I will say page.js over here, and again I will make the React functional components, and this is my login component. So now if I just come over here, and instead of this I am going to the login, then it will take me to the login page. If I say register, it will take me to the register page. Okay, so now when it comes to the this register, login or logout, whatever routes we are creating, so this is basically related to the authorization. Okay, so when it comes to this authorization, this is the like, we can club up all these things. Okay, we can group them. So in order to group them, what we can do, we will create one folder over here, and we will make use of the round brackets. Okay, and I will call this auth. Okay, and when it comes to this auth folder, now what I will do, I will move this folder inside of this auth folder, and then where is this register? So there is this register. I will move register also inside of the auth. You want, yes. So now if you just see inside of this auth, I'm having the login and I'm having the register. Okay, so now when it comes to this login and the register, I don't have to do something like or forward slash auth forward slash register. I don't have to do that. Okay, it will throw the error. It is saying 404 not found. So when it comes to this round bracket and giving the name, it is just like the way to club up the routes, or to bring them together, or form the group out of them. Okay, so now if you see forward slash register and forward slash login, it is still working. Okay, so this is just a way by which we can group the routes, and there are a lot of other ways. I mean there are a lot of other things also which you can do, like if suppose there's a dashboard or there are the components, you can do that, and you can club up all the things together with the help of these round brackets, and you can give them some names so that you can easily refer them. Okay, so guys, this is the end of this tutorial. So this is how we can club up the routes. Thanks for watching.